This is part 2 of the shoulder reconstruction. Since we finished with the scapula, now it's time to reconstruct the humerus. Since I got bored halfway through doing it with just the threshold, I am going to use a different method. We are going to use grow from seeds, where we are going to make 2 segments, one to draw inside the bone, and the other outside to set up a boundary. Of course, I could use same segment and just use morphology and subtract scapula segment from humerus. But why make life easier when I can make it more difficult? I think half of you just fell asleep. Now when we got a rough model, we just need to turn off filtered images, delete unwanted mask, and start the reconstruction. We can change the color of the segment so we don't mix it up. Unlike in the segmentation with the threshold, we don't need to fill up inside the model. We just need to delete the parts that are touching the scapula and add the parts that are missing. This method is much faster than the previous one. Let's rename the segment. Now that we finished the reconstruction, we will export the STL. Because I was too lazy to fix it while reconstructing, we have small holes in the model that we need to fix in other software. For this, I am going to use Blender and Mesh Mixer. Let's load the STL for scapula. First, we need to fill up the holes. For that, I'm using collapsed edges. Is there a simpler method? Probably. I don't know Blender, I just use other software and learn simple things along the way to fix some problems I have with the model. After we fill the holes, I'm going to use Inflate tool just to separate the walls of the model. Or so they said in the tutorial. And smooth the surface a little bit. After that, I will import both files in Mesh Mixer, smooth both models, and analyze them to fix existing errors. Now it is ready for printing and sending it off to the surgeon so he can plan in advance. That's it for this reconstruction. For the next one, I will probably do a hip. I don't know. It depends on the mood, so until then, see ya.